friend, welcome to my channel. Thank, uh, Hello friend, welcome back my channel. Today we will learn about another quiz and you have to select which option is correct. So the quiz is related to again the pandas and basic operation method. Here we have an expression which contains the four basic operation: division, multiplication, plus, and minus. So we have to solve like using some rules and find out which answer is correct. So you have, if you want to solve it by yourself, so please give me answer in the comment box, like which answer is correct here. So now let's start the topic. Before we start the topic, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes in uh, from my channels and apply in their exam and daily life. Okay, now let's start the topic. Like before starting the topic, we have to revise these BODMAS and PAMDAS rules, which is bracket, B for bracket, and EO for order or rule, right? And you can say like bracket is this one, bracket, rule like this one or this one, and division sign is this one, multiplication this one, plus and minus. Again, parenthesis, this one is parenthesis. Exponent is x square or any rule. Multiplication, D for division, E for addition and subtraction. Now, let's start the solve that expression which is given like 72 divided by 6 multiplied by 4 and plus 8 and minus 2. Okay, now to solve this expression, we have to follow the order of operation here first. So let's start the topic. In BODMAS or PAMDAS rule, if you apply any rule here, so you have to go here left to right um, operation. Like this one is left part and this one is right, right? So you have to solve left to right expression and there is no parenthesis as we have B for brackets. There is no bracket, so have we do not have any this step. So here we first uh, perform their division and multiplication if any comes in the left to right. So here first we will solve this expression 72 divided by 6. So 72 divided by 6 is 72 divided by 6, which is 12, right? And we will write whole expression as it is and we give the answer is division. Here we perform the division, right? Now we will solve another left to right. We will go left to right and solve 12 multiplied by 4. So here we will solve 12 for the 12 for the 48, right? And plus 8 minus 2 is we will write as it is. So here we perform multiplication. Now, starting from left to right again. So we will solve this one, left to right. So we will solve this one. So if we will add both, so we will get the answer is 56, right? And minus 2. So here we perform addition. And now the last one here, 56 minus 2, this one. So here we will perform the minus subtraction sign, perform subtraction. So answer of to complete this expression is 54. So if we see the answer in the given option. So we have the correct answer is 54. So the correct answer is 54, and this method you can apply using the BODMAS or BODMAS, any of one of them, because both are similar one. You have if you are American mathematics, so you have uh, use the BODMAS method, and if you have Asian board, so you will follow the BODMAS method. So thank you. That's it for today. And thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.